In this video, I'm going to be showing one secret way of using the Bollinger Band indicator to generate consistent profits. Before we start, be sure to subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. Let's get into today's video. Take a brief look at Bollinger Band. Bollinger Bands were developed by a famous technical analyst named John Bollinger. It's a technical indicator based on the standard deviation of a simple moving average. Here we can see, the Bollinger Bands consist of 3 lines. The middle line here is a simple 20-period moving average. The upper line is plotted based on 2 standard deviations above the moving average. The lower line is calculated based on 2 standard deviations below the 20-period moving average the same way. Bollinger Bands are very popular with traders. Because Bollinger Bands can be used to help traders identify the positions of prices. Throughout this video, we will use the Bollinger Bands on their default settings of a period moving average with a 2 standard deviation, so that 95% of the price action will be contained within bands. Hence, if the price comes near the upper band, we can say that the price is overbought, and it may reverse on the downside. Similarly, if the price is near the lower band, we can assume the price to be oversold and upside move can be expected. But in real market, this is not always true. In a strong uptrend, the price can stay around the upper band for several candles. Similarly, in a strong downtrend, price can stay at the lower band for several candles. And a common strategy of Bollinger Bands is identifying the volatility of the market. 2 standard deviation lines will expand when the market is high volatile, which leads to big price movements. Next, 2 bands close to each other and are contracting. This situation means the market is on the range. Now that we have understood the basics of the Bollinger Bands, it's time to come our secret strategy. From I've said above, we can see that we cannot buy in or sell out when candles touch upper and lower bands simply. In real trading market, we need to combine other technical indicator to increase our winning rate. Here is my strategy. The name is KDJ Bollinger Bands Combo Strategy. KDJ is widely used in the short and medium-term trend analysis. It reacts faster and more accurate on a range market. If the winning rate of the single indicator was 40%, the winning rate of the multiple indicators would be 90%. Next, I will tell you how to use KDJ indicator. Click Indicator and find KDJ indicator. Here we use the original setting of KDJ. The KDJ indicator has K-line, D-line and J-line. The K-line is fast line. D-line is slow line. J-line is the most sensitive line. The rule of KDJ indicator is like moving average crossover strategy. When fast line crossed slow line upwards, it's buy signal. When slow line crossed fast line downwards, it's sell signal. Then we can combine it with Bollinger Bands. This strategy is based on the fact that the market keeps moving from phases of high volatility to phases of low volatility. In other words, the price moves from ranging markets to trending markets. Hence, if we spot a low volatility market condition, we can expect a big move in any direction. Meanwhile, if KDJ occurred a buy signal, it would be uptrend market. If KDJ occurred a sell signal, it would be downtrend market. Take XAUUSD4H chart as example. Here the middle band is flat and the market is on a range. It is as flat as a horizontal line. Another thing to note here is that the bands are extremely narrow. Both of these points indicate that the price is in a low volatility. The second step is to wait for the market to make a trending move. Here we can see, the Bollinger Bands start to expand and the price breaks upper line upwards. It's a strong signal to go bullish. Then we check KDJ indicator to confirm signal. It's a golden crossover. All rules met. Here is our entry. Now let's see a sell trade. Here we have XAUUSD4H chart. Look at this area here. We see that the middle band is flat. The Bollinger Bands are narrow. Hence, we have successfully identified an area of low volatility. And the close of this candle is below the lower band. Meanwhile, KDJ occurs a death crossover. It's a strong to go short. This is our entry candle. Now, I'm going to tell you a good strategy that you can use to maximize your profit using Bollinger Bands indicator. So let's say you take a sell position here. And what you want to do is let your trades run until a candle breaks out of the middle band. If the candle broke out like this, you close your position. Let's see this one more time in another chart. If you took a long position here, so you want to close your trade once price broke the SMA line. Using this close strategy, you will close your trade early and still retain the majority of your profits. So this is the secret high winning rate strategy I want to share with you. All I want you to return is to click like button and subscribe my channel. Then you can get my latest video immediately. I will share more trading strategies in my channel. Thanks for your watching. See you next video.